What's going on, everybody? Hope you're doing fantastic as always. Today we are going to be looking at another pretty cool but simple asset. So essentially what this is a code-activated toggle. Let's take a look at how it works, and we'll take a look at the back end a little bit more. But as you can see on my left-hand screen and my right, there's nothing in this sort of gap area right now for either person. So essentially how this would work is you have a set of codes, and for those codes you want to turn either something on or off depending on which code it is. So let's assume this is our code. Hit submit on the code and it turns on these objects for everybody. It's like a network toggle. So that's a pretty basic example of how to work it. Again, these could be on and then the code turns them off, or it could turn some things on, some things off, or just turn these on like we just did. So now that we've seen it work, let's go ahead and take a look at how to set it up a little bit in the back end. If this is something you're interested in, it's maybe not the most intuitive thing in the world. It's not bad or hard, it's just not totally intuitive. So here it is right here, and this would be our code, and this would be what we're enabling. So you have to have everything you're enabling or disabling. As you can see, we could easily put it right here as well. You need to have it all parented to one object. So like, even though we have multiple objects over here, as you can see, they are all parented under one thing. So how it works is it says, hey, on first code of element 0, turn element 0 on and element 0 off. So you need to make sure that everything is matching. So even if you had it something like this, you need to make sure you have the empties where the elements are. So for instance, code 123 would turn element 0, so our replica's on, do not turn nothing off, and that's it. For code 321, it'll turn nothing on, and we'll turn our replicas off. So you need to make sure the elements match to your code. It's really that simple. You just need to make sure whatever you're turning on or off is grouped under one game object, and it'll work for you. But that's pretty much the code activator. Incredibly, I mean, it sounds kind of simple, but you can do a lot with this. You could make this all kinds of things, and you could even have built on top of this, so you have like buttons that you click, and when you click a button it enters something into the text, and you don't even have to have this visible. So think like a keypad type deal or something like that. Yeah, I don't know, you can do all kinds of stuff with this. This is more of like the back end, or you can use it strictly like this on a UI canvas. Yeah, pretty cool. Hope you guys can make use of it.
And that's it. Hopefully this gave you a solid start. Whether you're building your first VRChat world or just looking to add more polish to the one you've already got, these little systems can go a long way toward making your world feel interactive and alive. If you want to try this asset out before dropping it into your own project, I've got a public demo world set up. You can jump in, push buttons, test things out, and see exactly how it works in action. I always try to keep the demo world updated with the latest version, so it's a great place to explore and get ideas. And if this video helped you, or if you're using any of my tools in your world, consider supporting me on Patreon. It helps me carve out more time to make these assets, keep them updated, and put together more tutorials like this one. Even a small pledge goes a long way and means a lot. There's a link to both the demo world and the Patreon in the description below, so feel free to check them out. Thanks again for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.